welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is sending a message to Miss D again. And she's saying, basically that, you know, if it was her, she wouldn't have, spoken about, until she lands in America, basically. Sometimes not everyone is supposed to know your business. And I guess she's stemming from that as well. So go ahead, guys, and we'll catch the video, hear what Marcia has to say about this and other things. I'm I'm not really sure if this was from an answer that happened, but you can go ahead and hear what Marcia has to say, her opinion. And please like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. Also, for all my lovelies that are out there celebrating their wonderful, beautiful birthdays today, I just want to wish you love, joy, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this your year. And for all my other lovelies and my wonderful supporters, my friends, yes, y'all, I just want to wish you a wonderful day. Remember to always keep a beautiful smile on your face. And no matter what, you know, no matter what storms may rage, you can get over it. It's just a little drop in the bucket. You still have more in you to push forward. So continue pushing. It might seem hard, but you can fight it through, okay? So go ahead and have yourself a wonderful day now. And if you can put a smile on someone else's face, do so. Because it's in giving that we will also receive, okay? Have a great and wonderful day now.
If it was even me like you, I wouldn't even talk nothing until me land in America. I wouldn't even speak nothing. And you come in, you depend your page. For the little bit when me watch you, you are brag. I ain't a mad people. Then who you can't mad? A 40 years me live, you can't mad me. Me seal and sanctify. American passport me have. Me a vote from me at 18 years old. Until me at 51 day, they go vote for the small election. Who you are drop out pants you coming, people are mad over you. Nobody now mad over you. If you're coming and you want to come or whatever, you're not even get green card in your hand. You're not even land on American soil. You don't know if you're even going to live to see you even get your green card. And I pray God you live to see it. And you did a compound your page. I drop out pan people. How dare you think you can compound road a drop out pan people and you can live anywhere. You're not going to live nowhere. You catch your friend them yard until you get settled. You can't go your hypocrite friend Carol. Because she have one house up there with few room. You can't go catch a whole of people. A lot of people up here will put you up in a one place until you get settled. Stop the foolishness. When you migrate from Jamaica, whether you have money or not, it's going to take a little while for you to get yourself together. To build up your little credit, your little paperwork, them, your little this and little that. Even though you come from Jamaica, you still have to have some form of credential in America. Before. Some men don't know what kind of bullshit you are going with. Who you going to mad? You think say America is a bed of roses? Me say me want you choose. Me say me hear you say you want to find out which state you want to live. Which state you want. Then how you show off, man? You can't show off on me, honey dear. You cannot show off on me. So I know who you say I'm mad or them come mad and them. You can't show off on me. Call her for me because she not sleeping. You can't touch my 40 years. And my 40 years come with perseverance. You understand? Faith and hope and all them sort of something there. I'm broken back in a nursing field. So don't believe, say, when you come up America, don't feel like you're going to get the same type of treatment that you used to get at Jamaica. Anybody who treats a fool people. Don't feel say you can't come here. You come like you drop out like you want to come here. You say you want to come sue people. You can't even sue none of the subway rat them, not the cockroach them up here. You can't sue nobody. You can't threaten nobody. You can't sue nobody in America. Me, I tell you straight up. You see, these are the things. You hear what the song says? If I'm too high, Lord, bring me down. You're too fucking high. Because I don't see the big deal. Everybody get visa every fucking day. Every single day people get visa. Me not see the big deal if you get visa and you file for. We expect you to come here. You have son who file for you. We expect you to come here. But this bragfulness, you need to cut it out. You need to cut out this fucking bragness. Oh, you make that like a big broad face girl Carol him did there in a background or whatever and whoever foreigner has shown. This is ridiculous. It is despicable and disgusting with your fucking behavior. I mean, acting like say you coming to America now, everybody bumbleclad tap nyam. Nobody now can have nowhere to live. Like you're going to come here and live better than nobody else. You need to stop it. You need I must say the only somebody you can muggle upon when you come at the roach and you rat them. Stop it. Because when you come here, you're going to be staying with your friends them. You're not gonna come here, come rent nothing because, and even if you come here, you need documentation. You need any decent apartment and house, unless you come buy a cash house. You need to have a paperwork show that you're working, income coming in, and so on and so forth. Stop it. Do your flyers. Do whatever who want to meet you. Stop it, man. And I hope when time she reach a foreign and come up and live on the bloggers, them like myself, only don't even look on she. That makes you feel like say she want to come here, come feel like say she want to dominate over here. Don't give her no knowings. Don't give her no knowings when she come over here. Make she behave and behave like what she want to behave when reality kick in. You need to stop it. Who you come show off, man? Who I'm like, when me I listen, you say you come mad people. Who you mad? Who are you mad in? You're going to come here, come work. You're going to come here, come work, or you're going to come here, come do the same charity business and go back and forth to Jamaica. Because you're not going to turn along, mark my 10. You're going to come here, you're going to play the same fucking game, collect charity money, collect things and go back and forth to it and give it away. You're not going to want to work. You're not going to want to work or do nothing. And if you even do come here open a restaurant, you will go and help me like a restaurant. Because the hypocrite people may come buy from you. But don't come and your behavior, clap your jaw and whatever like say, a beanie man and bounty killer come. Eh? I mean, are you kidding me? You tell me say you're bigger than all artists there? You're bigger than Gallus, man. If you have 11 or 57, you're bigger than Sensia them. You're bigger than anybody. Spice and Sensia them live a foreign. Anybody can live a foreign. What is the big deal? Why you have to pay a page of behave so? Who is going to mad? It can't mad me come dear from your pitney. It can't mad Tina Chin cause Tina Chin dear from my pitney. It can't mad nobody will live here and know the facts of life. You need to stop it. I mean, I'm like, I just went, come never even know, say, she announced it, you know. Because me here when I talk, but through me I drive, me give a little something, me think say whatever. But when me go over the message she put up, and no problem. You come here and you have a little meet and greet, and you charge and make your money if you come in and make a little money. But you're going like say, yeah, the way you roll up here and clap your mouth, you need to lose some fucking weight. That's what you need to do. Because see, when you sit down, you look like a big, broad piece of dough flour. And then we cuss me and tell me how my belly big. And look on you in the camera. And that if you concentrate pan. Because you when you come up here, you can name down the ass place and catch diabetes. You need to stop it. You need to stop it and be more humble. I look at it, I mean, for a few minutes, I'm like, are you fucking kidding me? You don't even get green card in your hand. You don't even eligible for vote. You can't even vote in the fucking country until you get citizenship. And I behave so. Maxine over here. I look at it and it's so despicable with your behavior, Dana. You're behaving like I never see come see. Stop it. God will fix you. You're behaving like say You's above all Jamaicans who live here. You can't touch my ears, none at all. A 40 odd years me live, you can't touch me. Nobody not jealous of you. We all know what America is like. Welcome to America. This, I'm like, when I look at the girl and see her behavior, I'm like, I mean, you know, the only, you know, you tell you the truth, you know. And most the people in a Mountain View pop style pan. And most the people in a Mountain View, you pop in style pan. I never seen nothing like this. I think you need to get one psychiatrist to evaluate you. The little charity money them fly up in your head. God no. The charity money them fly up in your head. To tell you the truth. It's not like say you're there at Jamaica and you've never been acknowledged by the Jamaican government. Every acknowledgement you have is overseas. What does that say to you, Dana? Where have you been acknowledged by any Jamaican government officials? If you've never been acknowledged by the country that you've been in, that means that they don't respect you. If you have done so many things, the people, the government know of how you conduct certain situation. They know you don't do anything in illegal documentation ways. And if you have done it in the legal way where Jamaica was benefiting from it in the government parliament here with paying taxes and do it the right way, you would have been acknowledged. But they know that is bullshit to behave with. They know that the way you behave with the gangster behaving and your dirty behavior, they couldn't have acknowledged you in no form of way. And people who have been coming there for so many years and have not been acknowledged in certain ways. They need to stop it. I mean, you're acting like you are the biggest thing in the fucking world. You're acting, me tell us, you're acting like if you're bigger than the Prime Minister. You're acting like you're bigger than Beres Aman. You're bigger than, you're bigger than ladies like Marian Hall and Bounty Killer and Beanie Man and Vice Cartel. This is, I mean, when I look at the lady, just for her behavior and a boss champion, and the month not come yet? You come like, you look like you don't know Jamaica run. Me tell you, say, no, it's only your best friend know your secret. If it was me like you, I would even announce nothing until June. If me I come June and July, the people them have enough time. 3 weeks and 2 weeks is enough for them to get them ticket and get them dress. You're too fucking show off. I know you alone migrate America. People migrate every fucking day. And me I tell you straight up, you are despicable. Me I tell you tonight. You every time you come on this fucking phone, you're disrespecting the people of America. Well, you are throwing your words like say nobody up here no count. The queen of Jamaica is coming to America. Once you come here, everybody push to the side. In what fun way? Where are you coming? You're coming to catch your friend them yard. You're coming to catch your friend them yard. So you're not coming here and getting a place immediately. You have to set a foundation first where you want to go. You have to put documentations together and paperwork. And even maybe somebody have to get the place for you. Because money or money not. You can't get in a place so unless you have connections. America work by credit, work pay stub and all those things. Unless you have money to buy something cash. And even that, you have to show where the money is coming from and certain things. You have to stop it, man. And if you people can't see the disgusting behavior of this woman, the way she's like dropping words and people are firing like nobody no accomplish nothing, nobody no dear, nobody no work for them get, and she's coming in town. And when she's coming in town, that is it. Stop it, man. It not sound good. It not sound good. It don't sound good. It not sound good. I not look good. Oh, and I have my businesses and they're going to be whatever. Me not even look for you with the business. What is that hype for, Dana? What is that hype for? What is that? What is that hype for? You see me tell you something, Me say, girl, I'm telling you straight up. I mean it now one good way. You need to go seek the Lord. Because the Lord is going to punish you for your ungratefulness and your boastfulness. The Bible said, he that exalt themselves shall be abased. A peer exalt you do. Peer exalt you do. You need to come out and see how you drop out pan. Because you can't drop out pan nobody a foreign. Everybody with that friend who work hard for where he is today. We not get no rass hands out. A peer hands out you get. And the reason why you keep meet and greet because you want money. So when you come here, you're going to get money. And people are going to come give you money and if you think, if you don't lie me, I tell, come keep it free then. Come keep it free. I bet you not keep it free. Come keep it free. And even if you keep it free, them will come with the envelope, come put in your hand. You need to stop it. Because you're acting like said you're a billionaire, like you're Bill Gates, and you're coming here to buy the biggest mansion. And everybody here is worthless. We don't have nothing. I look at the video, I watched like 6 minutes at the video, and I was despicable at your behavior. Bossing little cheap champagne, sitting. You know, see when me I celebrate for my life, I pay more at my boss. Go boss one more it. Rich millionaire people not boss apple cider like a full apple cider same thing. Boss more it. You boss more it when you land America. You have to stop it. You there Jamaica, you look like a big idiot. The people who are in Jamaica that are established, they're laughing at you. Me know some Miss Kitty laugh for you. Me know Miss Kitty laugh for you. As much as you like Miss Kitty thinks that she like you. Miss Kitty don't even like you that much. Me no business where Miss Kitty was, because Miss Kitty watch me too. Me see her enough time over here. I'm gonna call out her name. The people in Jamaica who are have them live up in it, they're laughing at you. It come like the way you behave is like you have a fucking demon in you. That laughing, it irritates the ass out of me. I'm a very spiritual person. You see that laugh where you go ha 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 ha. You have this woman Indian spirit where you have a guard over you. You dab up in a something. Let me come give it to you tonight. Me see that woman there over you all the time. You have a Indian dopey where you watch over you. I don't know where you fuck you get dab up in. That you cross my spirit and then people come and call me as a spiritual girl. That laughing not normal. The face that I'm looking at is not your fucking face. It's not your face. It's not your face that I see when I look at you. That's why I can't watch you. Even your complexion, it's so dark. Even when you have a makeup, the makeup can't shine through the little whole witch where you have over you. Me don't know where you dab up yourself, you need repentance. Let them run away with that. You need repentance. Stop it. Stop it. Me don't know which spiritual somebody don't see. Say you have a woman over you. As soon as the land over the water, the woman they have to disappear. As soon as you cross over the water, you have to go source some more money again. That is ridiculous. That is ridiculous. That is ridiculous. Me not care if you don't want your angry face. You need to read Psalms 51 more often. I ask God for renew a right spirit in you. I have never seen something so hideous and stupid. You are brag pan people live a foreign. Say you come in here and you come in here and them come mad and them come in here talk about me too, Me not even look like you. Because if me not mad over you a long time. You understand? That is ridiculous. And people need to see the foolishness. I'm drinking some coconut water. And people still a call you on phone and I encourage with the bullshit. Uno need to get a life. Some of you not even live out a fucking wash pan. Uno don't even have no Philip. Uno dia boost a tell woman, somebody's gonna mad and wait until and some of not even have no Philip. And now uno force to go run